Hey, welcome back to my channel. Lyman Promag Auto Flo, 115 volt. Lyman's Pro Magnum Auto Flo tumbler is designed for the high-volume reloader, and high-volume reloaders are always looking for value. The 2-gallon capacity bowl is engineered to deliver powerful cleaning action even at full capacity. Handling up to 1,038 special cases at a time, the heavy-duty motor and advanced drive system deliver fast cleaning and long life. All this, plus the easy draining convenience of the Auto Flo feature. Includes media drain pan. 2-gallon capacity bowl is engineered to deliver powerful cleaning action even at full capacity. Handles up to 1,038 special cases brass cases at a time. Heavy-duty motor and advanced drive system deliver fast cleaning and long life. Designed for the high-volume reloader. Auto Flo design separates cleaned brass cases from tumbling media without the need for an additional media separator. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.